how do you identify whether the iPad is original or not? So let me talk about it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, well, I mean, it would probably be very obvious if you are dealing with a non-original iPad, because all of the like small things would kind of add up. Like everything would look out of place, the control center and the animations would be all choppy, right? So it would be really hard to replicate that properly. But there are a couple of like sure giveaways. First of all, if you open up the App Store on your iPad and then you notice that it's actually Google Play Store, because it's just a Android version running with the skin of iPad OS. Well, if you open up the App Store and if it's not like the actual Apple App Store, then you know that you're not dealing with the original model. But a like very good method to do it is to open up the settings of your iPad, click on the general section and about, and I would just copy the serial number. And then using the internet browser, you can look up a website which is called checkcoverage.apple.com. And you are supposed to paste the serial number there into Apple's website. And the point is that if it gets recognized by the Apple's web, then you know for a fact that it is the original iPad. And if not, then it's probably not the real deal. So I would believe that this is the best way to do it, because every original iPad has its own distinct serial number, and you can check when it was like purchased. And yeah, as I said, the most important part is being recognized by the Apple servers. So I really hope that you are able to identify your iPad. Let me know what you think about it below. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos as well.